In the previous video, I showed you how to make a great sounding bass boosted audio amplifier by using the LM386 IC. Now in this video, we are gonna make a stereo audio amplifier by using dual LM386 IC. And the circuit of this amplifier is pretty much the same as the previous one. It has two channels, one for the right audio and the other for the left audio. As I have already explained the circuit, that this coupling capacitor should have high value like 470 microfarad or more, so that we get a sound with high bass. And this 10 microfarad capacitor is in series with 10 kilo ohm potentiometer between pin 1 and 8 is for controlling the gain. And this RC network of 0.033 microfarad capacitor and 10 kilo ohm potentiometer between pin 1 and 5 is used for controlling the bass. And this 100 microfarad capacitor between pin 7 and ground is for removing noise distortion and unnecessary oscillations. And this 1000 microfarad capacitor removes noise distortion caused by power supply. And this RC network of 100 nanofarad capacitor and 10 ohms resistor between pin 5 and ground works as a RC high pass filter that will send all the high frequency audio signals to ground, so it can't interfere with the audio. And the same circuit goes for the other channel. But as you can see, there is two potentiometers for volume control, one for the right audio and the other for the left audio. But instead of using two different potentiometers, I'm gonna use a 6-pin potentiometer. A 6-pin potentiometer is just two normal 3-pin potentiometers controlled by the same shaft. The lower 3 pins are of one potentiometer and the upper 3 pins are of another potentiometer. And there is no internal connection between the two potentiometers. And I am using 3 of these for volume, gain and bass control. So let's build this circuit on a PCB. Let's insert all the components to the PCB and start soldering according to the circuit. Making the connection as short as possible will also help in noise reduction. Here I am using two 4 ohms 10 watt speakers. For providing audio signal from my smartphone to the IC, I am using this 3.5 mm audio jack. This longer pin is ground. And this pin is the left audio output. And this is the right audio output. Now the circuit is ready. Let's connect these speakers and audio jack wires to the circuit and insert the ICs to the base. I am using two 3.7 volt lithium ion batteries in series, so it will give me 7.4 volts.